All right, gang. So what can I say? What can I say about this market? This basically these last 2 days it's just been a chop fest since SPY. Now the indices they've been choppy too. They usually been ripping like maybe the opening drive, but then they start chopping up. So unless you're gonna plan on holding for long, I guess that's the only way you're gonna print from Monday to today. But other than that, SPY was not really giving us its actual ATR move any day from yesterday or today. So I don't know if it has something to do with the rebalancing, possibly could, but it did peak high, like it did test highs today. That we gotta still take a note that it did that still. And what I could say that I like about today, but of course there's FOMC tomorrow. I do like how the Bears did create a space here and they held it a little bit. So I do like how SPY did close around 456, but then of course after hours it leaked because ERs is running around. We got more ERs in the morning. So I said in the chat in the Discord, I said if we close 456, I think we could push a little higher. So that's just my thesis. Um This looks good, but it looks like it's gonna end up double topping because it did break this resistance already. So it shouldn't crash, but it looks like we could go higher. This is cascading down, but this has to be smaller for the bears to start pushing in more momentum to the downside. So maybe one more tint on the green bars, and then maybe the Bears could come in Thursday to Friday, depending on what happens. I'd say with FOMC tomorrow. But I'm leaning we rip up a little bit maybe and then sell off whenever they hop on. Wait, I want to look at the MACD lines with you guys. Yeah, so look, even this line is kind of still holding to push up a little before we come down. So there's basically about 3 moves when FOMC comes upon us. So it's basically, in my opinion, from experience, is they either before FOMC they either dump it, and then once meeting is approaching, they start reversing it. Well, tomorrow I think the opposite. I think they might rip it slowly, not give us heavy price action. And then once speech comes, they might, sell us down because this is a double top still. So we got to keep that in mind. It is a double top. I like how it's a green candle on resistance. So we could still have a green candle fill in this wick space before we drop. So I'm gonna be watching if we do flush. I'm gonna be watching that 453 like 30 zone around here. 453, even 453. Under 453, you should definitely drop it. Now, longs obviously just watch the highs of breaking highs of today. So I wouldn't go long unless we go 457.15, in my opinion. So 457.15 on SPY, 453 shorts on SPY. So the longs upside is 457. Now Q's SPY was moving way better than Q's in my opinion today. So look, you see Q's look like is morning starring. It's not the prettiest, ugly as hell, but some traders will take this in as a bullish pattern. So the Qs, if it's really a bull move, what is there? This wick that what 380? It needs to reclaim at least 380. Yeah, I'll say 381 has to be reclaimed. on the Qs. So I'll put in a, oh, that's not what I wanted to put. Wait. So 381 needs to reclaim on the Qs for me to be bullish. Now, if I'm a bear, I'll wait till we drop on the 375. Yeah, 375.25. So 375.25, you could definitely short the Qs, and we go long on 381.15 upside. So yeah, this look beautiful double bottom. Yeah, the Qs is heavier. That's why the red tint is in. But they already been there for 3 days, so it might be changing character. Let's see what happens tomorrow. All right, let me run through some names. I don't have a long list because of this BS price action we've been getting. So let's try. I'm gonna probably make this quick. Oh, okay. Let's see. All right. So this one was trending up today. Let me see why. This health sector. Okay, so it reclaimed the 200 a little bit. So yeah, still has room to dance upstairs. So okay, so we gotta get at least here. My alert's gonna be around here, gang, to get in this one. Belongs. MACD, RSI looks good. Actually did a little flag within these two candles, and today it broke it. So it's definitely go up. What else? Lin looks good. This joint's pushing all-time highs. Big candle on resistance. Let's see some continuation. Yeah, this looks good. MACD looks great. They have ER approaching, so this might be an ER run up Thursday pre-market. Yeah, so as soon as we watch Lin break highs, watch it. So reaching reaching highs on Lin. So 54. This is kind of a big account play. Not kind of, it is. Okay, Lin. Let me see, CRH. What CRH did today. Why did it catch my attention? Oh, nice. Put in a big bullish candle, but it's woof overbought like crazy. Damn. Nah, this you will go short. I don't even. I mean, it could keep going up after this big strong candle, but it's high risk. It's high risk. We got 10 changes. No, still strong. You know what? I'm gonna watch it just off the bullish candle that we got today. But it could definitely, let me see. Okay, it could go a little higher than reject. I think the reward is to the downside more. So I'll wait for the short entry on this one. It has to go at least here. Yeah, 59.20 to go short. So that's basically comfortable on the VWAP, I'll say. 59.20. Should be well under VWAP. Oh, so I would short this one. I wouldn't go long just because the reward is not really. I'm at 58.20, not 59. Sorry, team. No wonder that looked odd. 58.80. 58.80. Apologize on that. 58.80. This one, mm, small account friendly. Let's see why I like it. All right, I see it. Then they got news today. Press release, April 2nd, what? Second quarter, 20 results conference. April, she shares. Okay. So this is a nice little double bottom of this break of this candle. This is the first pivot. This is the second pivot. So I will honestly like to get $6 calls, but we'll see what happens above the 21. This is 95. Yeah, nice $6 calls, but this look excuse me. This looks good. And the Mac is bullish too. It's too far extended to, I mean, it looks like it's gonna drop, but it's far extended. So the drop is probably gonna come when it starts testing 608 or 610, then it could drop. But I don't think it's gonna drop soon. So and these contracts are cheap, so if we get volume, you can size in heavy. I like Generac. Generac looks solid to the upside. Generac has been respecting this trend line from June 1st all the way up. Let me see. Yep, has not dropped. So, and look, crossing RSI. This doesn't look that pretty, but it's been the Bears has been in here already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days the Bears been trying to get in this place. So we start seeing some upside. So this little macro break right here is definitely gonna be the upside move on Generac longs. It looks like a swing in my opinion. I'll see once the alert goes off if I catch it, but I like it as a swing. Feel like it's building to just go higher, and they do have ER next week, so might be a pre-ER run up because it's basically a whole week late. A whole week later, yeah. We're 1 week almost ahead of it. So Generac upside. This one went off today, man. No matter. So this after market close. This one, oh, wow. So this one put in the stick today at the big resistance level. And my computer is lagging. Sorry about that. All these indicators is showing up late. All right, there we go. Yeah, this thing testing this resistance area that should break. So we just gotta watch the highs. This looks good upside. This looks great. And we got more push, dark tint, higher volume on this bar on the Mac. So we're gonna wait until she gets to at least 181. 265, it don't matter. This one looks very bullish. Okay, let's see what else. Got another small account one. So LGFA. What the hell? Lionsgate. Doesn't matter which one. Let me see. I want the one that's at $7.49. So the one that I'm looking at shows $7. Yeah, this is it right here. So this is all movie related, right? So um Barbie came out, all the mother well, there's a few movies that's coming out. So I don't know if it's because of this, but this one ripped after hours and IMAX ripped after hours. They both ripped. So I think it's a good one to watch. I'll put a alert around here. Small account, 745.
Matinee price.
And they do have ER too. That's crazy. But look, nice little double bottom with a higher pivot, so that's good. The Mac got a tint, it's still in the negative side, so we gotta start turning. But yeah, I'll swing this too, just for the fact that look, it's been on a crazy downtrend. So a month out, I think should be doable. So all I was saying, my IMAX, right? So IMAX is the other one that's up after hours. Let's see, IMAX. So as my computer thinks through. Okay, I need to restart it. That's what it is. All right, IMAX. So IMAX right now is showing us 17, 20, 28, 25-ish around there. So I will wait till it just gets above the 200. Let's be patient. I think I got an alert already. No, I don't. So I gotta delete that. That's not an alert. Yeah, I'm gonna be patient. We still get above the 200 and hopefully it'll rip. So 1750, which is not far from there, 1750, if it holds here, of course. Now let's see if this adds up. This looks good still. Doesn't look bad. And this looks good. Okay. Oh, keep in mind ER too, tomorrow after hours. So if you get in and you catch it, don't think twice about swinging it just because you already know what happens to these stocks when they report. Sometimes they just shit the bed like Snap. Okay. Planet Fitness. Let me see why this one caught my eye. Planet Fitness. Fucking human. Okay. All right. It's holding this price channel over here. I like this price between 66.5. It likes to react. I mean, you react down or react up. Obviously, I'm trying to see if it reacts up. So yeah, this looks good. Double bottoming out on the RSI. Okay, the Bears was trying to get in on the Mac. It did not bring it heavy to the downside. I like, yeah, I like how this is almost even. It's not even that much higher, so hopefully it'll start getting weaker. So I'm away above the 9 and 28. And they have ER as well, almost a week later. So keep in mind that. So let's see, when is the after hours? All right, August 3rd. After, no, pre-market. Pre-market. So almost a week ahead. But this looks good. I like this little trend that is holding right here. We already got multiple touches, so that's good. Let's see what happens. Next ticker on the list. Let's see. Sun W, small account, or grab a bunch of shares. I don't know, you pick. But this looks good. Nice little cup build here. So it wants to hold the 200. That's what it's trying to tell me right now with this big candle. This looks good. And this looks good as well. Everything upsided to me. So I'm gonna wait till I want the $2 calls before. Obviously they go to $2. So we'll put it around here. It's gonna be a sneaky entry. We're gonna watch the $1.95 zone. $1.95 zone, I think is good. Alright. Sun W. And I like, yep, this one. Nami played it today. I believe he day traded it, but William Sonoma looks good. They already broke this major resistance. This was major resistance, basically. On William Sonoma. Let me see what this is. Yeah, still looks strong, man. Like I said, he day traded it, but it looks good for one more move, in my
Yeah, I
opinion.
re-entered it end of day, bro. I trimmed and re-entered, so I'm still swinging.
Oh, there you
Fired
go.
it up. Yeah, yeah.
Heard it from the man himself. All right, so there we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna watch the highs of this candle for continuation now. If it decides to dip to try to give us a better entry, obviously. Um, the better entry, in my opinion, will be a bounce around here. 132.45 around there. So I'll put it for you guys, of course. Let me just this one. And then I'm gonna just watch the highs of it. I mean, I'm not gonna put an alert. Nami's in it already, so I'm pretty sure you hear him shout it out if it breaks higher. So that's the bounce on that one. Let me see what else I got. TJX, the steady climbing. Let's see why. Let's see why TJX was steady climbing on us. I think is at highs, ATH all-time highs. Okay. Let's see. Only thing, okay, we could get another. It's just overbought. I don't know about going any higher. It could come down. Yeah, I mean, I would just, this one will be a bounce entry just like Williams. Just because it ripped a lot, just like Williams Sonoma. So let me see how it looks on the 15th for a bounce entry. Okay, so for TJX to rip more, I think obviously it could rip more to do whatever the hell it wants. Just I'm trying to get this. This is a good. I think here is a good bounce. Why? Because of this break right here. This break broke this high. So I'm gonna put it here, guys. Now, given if it does decide to bounce sooner, it will have to be like around, let me see, we got 86.73. Would it be 87? Yeah, almost 87. So that would be my initial first bounce, and then 87 could be another bounce because over here we got some resistance and it could be support. This resistance area could turn support, and we got a little pivot here, so might flirt with that 87 mark to try to go higher. But I like it more to the upside. It might have one more green day, in my opinion. One more green day. And
Thanks for the gem on that, finding that bounce entry, bro. How you looked at how it broke the previous high and then found the base. That's pretty sweet.
of course, man. So we gonna watch it. And look, today they had news, I think. Suppose. Okay. No, nothing crazy. Flat rate hikes. Okay. Rate hikes. Fucking rate hikes. All right, so MO. MO. Altria. Altria. Actually skip that one too. Oh. Oh. I'm a bear. I'm a bear. I'm gonna watch this zone. Everything's leaning downhill. Nothing's really telling me up. So there goes a bear play. So if TMO breaks here, should definitely drop to at least 44.5. Or 50 cents, some more drop. This is where I expect it to bounce around here. Philip Morris might move with it, so let's see. BJ's. BJ's had a good freaking rip today, man. We missed this one. Wow. Bullish engulfing. RSI. MACD. Yep. This candle's overlapping this one completely, guys. So I think once it gets above the 50, it's over. So I'm gonna put my alert here just to see how we ride. The only thing is these ass these assholes only got $5 price strikes. So if you're gonna be risky, I think we should try to get a dip before it goes back into 65. Because if it just rips past 65, you got no choice but to get the 70 calls. And you're gonna have to hold them because they're probably like a month out. Or 3 weeks, which is basically ER. Well, no, is it August? It is August. Okay. Yeah. All right. So BJ's on TJ. All right. Lulu. Lulu looks good. Big accounts. I like this pivot area, this buy area. I like it. Look, Lulu rejected here a few times, even here. Even though it's a green candle, it's still a rejection. Why? Because of wick. So there's the wick rejection here, wick rejection. Look, it's bouncing now. So those rejections are becoming support. So this is the second leg on Lulu. So Lulu, if you really want to go for us, has to take this out. Sorry. I'm gonna watch this level right here. Yeah, 385.05. 385.05. Yeah. Go long on Lulu. Lulu looks good. Look. Kissing RSI. This looks a little shaky. It does, I'm not gonna lie. But let's see what tomorrow brings us. Wait until the alert goes off. All right, so I got 3 more and I'll let you guys go. All right, fun. Let's have some fun tomorrow. Cedar's been on a crazy drop, guys. Like ridiculous, like straight to hell. Finally, we got a decent pattern. Morning Star, right? Hope you guys learning something. There we go. So here we go. We got this level to definitely watch. If you want to get risky, you could get in before 37.50 just off the pattern that it put in today. I think they got 37.5. I'm not too sure. I'm sure they got dollar. But yeah, I like this for a reversal finally. Everything's saying we going. Look, cross finally. Look how long Fun failed to cross this RSI. This was the last time it crossed it right here, which was May. Then every time reject down, 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 down. Now it finally ripped. So it's good conviction there. And this looks good too. So small. This is not even expensive, so we could possibly catch this and kill it.
And I just checked out the descriptor. I guess that's a movies and entertainment.
Yeah, I got it in entertainment with like casino.
Got it.
Yeah, yeah,
Interesting. Interesting play with your Lionsgate, bro.
yeah. It has hotels too. Yeah,
Interesting. Got it.
yeah. That's VMW. VMW sounded like BMW. Okay, VMW. Wait, definitely wrote that wrong. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 reversal. Okay. We had 3 down days, doji, possible reversal today to start tomorrow. It's part of chips. This looks good. Okay. And this is very extended. Still need some time to drop hard. Yeah, so I'm gonna watch VMware because we could reject that at 105.80. I'm 165.80, so this wick is 162. So we're gonna watch at least 163.85, I'll say. For the 165 calls, I'll just get out. I wouldn't hold it long, just to be safe, but it's just one long. Like I said, it's part of chips, so nice bounce here. This is resistance area, obviously, guys. And it's look, it's pivoting there, so see what happens with VMware. And last but not least, another small account one here. Crazy, I think I only played this once when I first started trading. Another Morningstar, guys. Watch this sucker as soon as it kisses my 200. So 80, 1080 is a good watch zone on this one. On here, nice upside. Oh, sorry. This is heavy still, but at least it's changed, so it could be started to turn. But yeah, I like this one with sneaky entry. Oh, I rejected there, so yeah, I gotta climb above, at least here. All right, gang. Y'all want any tickers that I could talk about, give my opinion on? Feel free to tell me now.
Chat's good. Haven't got a chance to look at mine yet, so I think we're good, brother.
All right, man. So tomorrow we on again. I'm sorry, it's not a lot of action on my end. I only called out maybe like 4 or 5 new plays, like day trades in the past 2 days. But the markets, man, you got to deal with what they give you. So tomorrow, hopefully, it'll be a better day. Call out more day trades.
Sniping, bro. Patience, patience, patience. Makes sense.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we killing it, man. But you killing it, killing it. Today, the bank drop was crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Yes,
Right
sir.
on. All right, bro.
All right, see you in the morning, man. All right,
All
get
right,
some rest. We'll be up nice and early.
sounds good.
All right, man.
Banana, banana.
Later, clap.